Mary, your interview is in 10 minutes. Are you ready?
I think so, but I am nervous about one question.
Which one?
Where do you see yourself in 5 years? I don't know what to say.
That's a common question. Don't worry. What do you want in your career?
I want to be a team leader, maybe manage my own projects.
Perfect. Say that. Show them you have goals.
But what if my goals don't match the company?
Research the company first. Connect your goals to their plans.
Oh, I can say I want to grow with the company and lead a team here.
Exactly. Specific and positive. They will like that.
What if they ask for more details?
Talk about skills. Say you want to learn and improve every year.
Okay, so I want to lead a team, grow my skills, and help the company succeed.
That's a great answer. Confident and clear.
Thank you, John. I feel much better now.
You're ready. Go show them what you can do.
Wish me luck.
You don't need luck. You need that answer, and you have it.